How much does real estate photography cost? I'm a Utah real estate photographer and I charge 12 cents per square foot. You get unlimited HDR photos. What that means is however many photos it takes to showcase the home, you're gonna get. There is no cap, there is no extra charge for extra photos. What you're gonna get is high-end professional photos for your listing. It's a multi-exposure photo, meaning that I don't take one click and that's it. I don't take a flash image and that's it. I'm taking bracketed shots, meaning all the exposures I need to make the perfect image. And for window shots, I do window pulls with flash to make sure that you can see through the window if appropriate. The technique I use is used by high-end professional luxury photographers, and I'm offering it at 12 cents per square foot. Now, not only do you get that, for the time being, it's unlimited. If you're seeing this right now, it's currently unlimited. I also offer unlimited drone photos. A lot of photographers out here are either not licensed drone pilots or they charge you extra for the drone pilots. And if you're a rock star real estate agent, you're probably paying somebody else to come out to the location and take aerial photos for you. And sometimes that's gonna be at a premium cost, 5 photos, 10 photos, 15 photos. You get whatever you need with me when it comes to aerial photos. If it takes 5 photos, great. If it takes 20 photos, fine. If you need pictures of schools, parks, trails, amenities that come with the community, I can take those shots at no additional cost. Now, another thing that I haven't seen other people do with drone photos is take pictures of close-ups of the home, of the decks, of the yard, leveling with the house. Traditionally, the photos I'm seeing are high up, super far back, showing where the house fits into the community, and that's pretty much it. And it doesn't have to be that way. I take an artistic approach to my drone photos to make sure that you showcase the house the way it needs to be and the way that it's intended to be. Okay, so now you have unlimited high-end HDR photos. You have unlimited aerial photos. Now you have an animated slideshow video. And the slideshow video brands the video to you and your real estate business, to you as the agent. You have contact information on there, you have home features on there, and you have really good sounding music on there to help engage the viewer to watch from start to finish. Also, the music is licensed for YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You can put it on any social media platform, and because the music is high-end, oftentimes it's gonna have a music ID for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, but with a license, it'll permit you to be able to post on those platforms without any restrictions, without fear of getting your video taken down, without any copyright strikes. And this is what I offer at 12 cents per square foot of the home. My name is Ben, I'm a real estate photographer, and I'm on your side when it comes to your real estate marketing needs.